The power of positive affirmations. Hello and welcome to our video on the power of positive affirmations. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of affirmations and how they can have a positive impact on our lives. We'll also be sharing some tips on how to create your own affirmations and how to use them effectively. What are affirmations? Affirmations are positive statements that are used to encourage and motivate ourselves. They can be used to build confidence, improve self-esteem, and create a positive mindset. Affirmations can be used for a variety of purposes, including improving relationships, overcoming fears and anxieties, and achieving goals. The power of affirmations. The power of affirmations lies in the fact that they can help us to reprogram our thoughts and beliefs. Our thoughts and beliefs play a significant role in shaping our reality, and if we have negative thoughts or beliefs, it can be challenging to achieve our goals. Affirmations can help to replace negative thoughts with positive ones, which can improve our overall well-being and quality of life. Creating effective affirmations. To create effective affirmations, it's important to use positive language and focus on what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," try saying, "I am calm and relaxed." Make sure your affirmations are specific and achievable, and use present tense language to make them more powerful. You can also try visualizing your affirmations to help bring them to life. Using affirmations effectively. To use affirmations effectively, it's important to repeat them regularly. You can say them out loud, write them down, or even use them as a mantra during meditation. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. You may also want to create different affirmations for different areas of your life, such as relationships, careers, or health. Examples of affirmations. Here are some examples of affirmations that you can use. I am confident and capable. I am deserving of love and respect. I am healthy and strong. I am successful in all areas of my life. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am worthy of happiness and fulfillment. Affirmations are a powerful tool that can help us to improve our mindset, achieve our goals, and live our best lives. By creating effective affirmations and using them regularly, we can reprogram our thoughts and beliefs and create a more positive reality. So why not give affirmations a try and see how they can transform your life? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.